Good morning or good afternoon. I'm here at Mr. and Mrs. Martin's roof conducting an attempt to repair or a pliability test here on this tiger striped roof. Unfortunately, here we have a blown off shingle. So as you can already see, there's nothing here. I'm going to mark where it starts and ends, and I'm going to number the tabs above it as well. So first things first, I'm going to mark where the shingle starts and ends. So here I have my start, here I have my end. From here above, I can already see the tabs that will have to be loosened to re-nail or remove the nails. So here I have tab number 1. Here I have tab number 2. Here I have tab number 3. Here I have tab number 4. Here's number 5. Here's number 6. And number 7. So these are all the tabs that will have to be manipulated for me to conduct this repair. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to mark the outside edges of where the shingles aren't going to be manipulated. So that would be here, 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 out here. This one will have to be manipulated a little bit, so we're gonna have to go out here, here, and this top row will also have to be manipulated a little bit. So then I'm gonna go and mark these outer edges. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my pry bar right here, and I'm gonna remove any of the nails that have been left behind from that missing shingle. So I'm gonna start over here on number 1. So number 1, I'm gonna go over here to number 2. Nail number 1, it's a little bit rusty. I'm gonna go over to number 3. Number 3 has a nail in it as well. Remove that one. No rust on that one. Number 4. Number 4 has a nail underneath of it as well. Now I'm going to go to the next row above. I'm going to go up here to number 5. I'm going to loosen number 6. I'm going to loosen number 7. Now that all of those are loose, I'm going to remove the nails. So I'm going to start over here at number 4. I know there's going to be a nail here in between. So I'm already seeing, after removing the nail on number 4, I'm going to bring you guys a little bit closer. I'm already seeing a slight tear. Let me get you guys in good light. A slight tearing here in the shingle. It's nail number 5. Underneath the nail number 5 right there. Let me bring you guys back a little bit more. Sorry, the angle is really tough. This roof is a little bit steep. There's not many places to put it. So now I'm gonna go to this tab number 6. So under tab number 6, the nail has been removed. Now I'm gonna go over here to underneath the number 7. Underneath of 7 has been removed. So now I'm gonna grab my new shingle. Fortunately, we have not been able to find tiger stripe so far. So as I can tell just from a regular 3-tap shingle, it doesn't necessarily fit. I'll bring you guys a little bit closer so you can see what I'm talking about. So if I line up this 3-tap on, one second. Just from a regular 3-tap, if I try to even line it up over here on this end where it ends, over here it's gonna overlap. Let me bring it up a little bit more. So here I have my 3-tap on the edge, and as you can see, it's a lot overlapping. So we can't necessarily use 3-tap for this repair. It will not work. It has to be a tiger stripe, which this is discontinued. So what I'm gonna do just to make this repair possible today is I'm gonna make a cut in that 3-tap shingle just to actually get it to work. So I have it right there. I'm gonna mark my area where I'm gonna cut right here. And as you can see, it's almost a 1-inch piece that I had to cut off to make this fit. Now I'm going to take my 3-tap. So now I've installed my 3-tap. Now to show you guys where I have to put my nails, I'm going to grab a couple nails. I'm going to grab my hammer. For me to be able to nail on this shingle, where the nail mark is, where the nail mark line is going to be right here, right? So I'm going to have to lift my shingle up at least this high so I can get my nail in. So that's nail number 1 under the tab number 4. From there, I'm about to just put another one in the end just to hold it in place over here on number 1. So yet again, I have to lift it a little bit past 40 degrees just to be able to nail it. So now I'm going to put my final 2 nails on that first row, which is going to be number 2 and number 3. Let me make sure my phone didn't overheat. So I'm going to go right here on number 2. Now I'm going to put my final nail on number 3. Now I'm going to go to the next row above. Since I do have missing nails, I'm going to have to use some that I have here in my bag. So now I'm going to go to number 5. I'm going to lift up number 5, and this nail mark is a little bit higher where the previous nail was. So I'm going to go above the tear here. So that's nail number 1 on number 5. Now I'm going to go on number 6. Now I'm going to go on number 7. So that completes all of my nails. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for any possible mat transfer or any of the texture tabs on this 3-tap. Since it is a tiger stripe, it does have it. So I have all my numbers here. I'll be crossing out numbers when that tab has failed the attempt to repair.